Raffy Drawings.
Hi kids, and welcome to the Raffy Drawing channel. Today we are going to draw and color Little Spiderman. Before we start, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's start drawing. I start with his big eyes. And I color them black. Then I draw the shape of his head. Let's decorate his mask like a spider web. Excellent! Now I draw his arms, his hands and his chest. What's in the middle of his chest? That's a spider! Now let's decorate the upper part of his costume. Now I draw his legs, like this. And finally, let's decorate the bottom of his costume. So cool! Now I use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I use red for his head. For his chest, red again for his hands and feet. And finally, I use this blue marker. Excellent! Raffy the dinosaur needs you. Like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye!